Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best streaming microphones available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Razer Streaming Microphone. The Razer Siren Mini is tuned with a tighter pickup angle, so it can focus on your voice while ensuring that background noises like typing and mouse clicks don't get picked up. It comes with its 14mm condenser capsule and flat frequency response. The mic broadcasts your voice with stellar clarity that's filled with crisp highs and deep lows. You can easy to bring along if you need take your streaming elsewhere. At number 6 we have Blue Yeti Streaming Microphone. It delivers legendary Blue broadcast sound, makes the professional difference for recording, streaming, and building your audience, and choose between cardioid, omni, bidirectional, and stereo modes, provides versatility for recording and streaming in any scenario. It lets you monitor your performance with zero delay using the built-in headphone output and volume control. Hear yourself in real time to make sure you sound your best while recording or streaming. At number 5 we have Razer Siren Streaming Microphone. It is designed and tested by top Twitch streamers. The Razer Siren X is your key to getting heard in the mightiest way possible. It's the first step to taking your live streaming to new broadcasting heights. It utilizes a super cardioid pickup microphone to eliminate distracting noises further away. This dampens vibrations to help protect against bumps for smooth and uninterrupted audio. At number 4 we have Elgato Streaming Microphone. Its condenser capsule comes with a tight cardioid polar pattern, captures speech with precision. You can use the WaveLink app to control wave. It has 3 and up to 7 other audio sources, plus create 2 independent mixes. Its proprietary clip guard technology makes distortion virtually impossible. At number 3 we have Razer. The Razer Siren Mini is tuned with a tighter pickup angle, so it can focus on your voice while ensuring that background noises like typing and mouse clicks don't get picked up. It is made for minimalist or smaller setups. It barely takes up any desk space and is discreet on camera, putting more focus on you. It is easy to bring along if you need take your streaming elsewhere. At number 2 we have Blue Yeti Streaming Microphone. It visualizes your voice level with the Yeti X microphone's 11-segment LED meter. At a glance you can check if your voice level is too high or too low, and adjust accordingly. It has 4 distinct pickup patterns, allow you to record and stream in ways that would normally require multiple microphones. At a glance you can check if your voice level is too high or too low and adjust accordingly. At number 1 we have PreSonus Streaming Microphone. This dynamic broadcast microphone great for recording vocals for podcasts, live streaming, radio and more. This cardioid polar pattern rejects off-axis sounds for better isolation and clarity. It works with any audio interface equipped with a microphone preamp. Its tailored frequency response provides exceptional clarity for vocals, guitars, basses and drums. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best streaming microphones for your need.